Hi friends, welcome to Mathstone. In today's video, we will learn to find cube root of 54. So let's start. At first, we will factorize 54. As 54 is an even number, so 2 will divide it and we get 54 equal to 2 times 27. Now we will factorize 27 and this is divisible by 3 and we get 27 is equal to 3 times 9. As we know that 9 is equal to 3 times 3, so we will take it. Now finally we get 54 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now taking cube root on the both sides, we get cube root of 54 is equal to cube root of 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. After grouping, we get cube root of 2 times cube root of 3 times 3 times 3. Here we have used the rule of cube root of x times y is equal to cube root of x times cube root of y. Here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 times 3 times 3. The first cube root, that is cube root of 2, remains same and from the second square root we get 3. In the second square root we have used the rule of cube root of a times a times a is equal to a. Here a is 3. After simplification we get 3 cube root of 2 and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.